that Tony Romo really may not be ready to step on the field next week against the Steelers. So we might see this thing push out even another week, this sort of debate. And one of the really interesting things has been the way that Dak Prescott has handled this entire thing, because he's not simply coming in as a rookie. He's coming in with the specter of the former franchise quarterback looming.
Yeah, you know what? I really, Hannah, don't think it needs to be, nor should it be a debate anymore. You work so hard to get in this kind of position that you can't manufacture and force chemistry. You just hope it kind of like develops, and they've got it now. They've got it. And Dak, look, organically, naturally, instinctively, is just a very mature kid who understands kind of where he's at, living in the moment, paying his respects to Tony, but at the same time seizing the moment here. Jerry Jones, Stephen Jones, the Cowboys organization really has to realize that they have really caught lightning in a bottle here. Absolutely. Just ride with it, man, and let it just keep burning up the rest of the league. Don't touch it.
Yeah, I totally agree. And this game is an important game. Even though the Pittsburgh Steelers are struggling, obviously this is a historic rivalry. You know, these two teams have played for Super Bowls. But if he goes on the road and you win this game, I think you end all of the talk. You stop talking about when Tony's healthy or what we're going to do from this point. You say, you know what, Dak is our guy right now. What we have rolling is a good thing, and we don't want to mess that up. And I think Tony Romo, being a veteran, being a team guy, will totally understand that, and so will the team.